Good morning. We just woke up. You're cold? Okay, let me get you some pants. And actually, you don't have any pants right now. Just go pee
Right
and then
here.
okay, yeah, perfect. Wait.
Super high.
Super high. And we can't. Huh? I'm not videoing you. Jesus. And we no, you can't see you at all. I'm not. The camera's facing me, not you. Jeez.
Daddy, I just didn't know.
Okay. Cuddle up with a blanket, Matt.
Okay.
All right.
What's blanket?
Uh-huh. The brown one if you want. Yeah, I do. So, anyway. So, we found a new camp spot. It's pretty cool. The first camp spot that we found, there was no one camping there, so we were kind of creeped out because we didn't see any cars. So then we came to this one, and it was nice because there were other people camping. What, baby? I'm just walking right over here to this other campsite. And, yeah, so this one, I like this campsite better than the one that we've been. Oh, it's so beautiful. There, you can see all the way into town. Okay, I'm coming back. You can see all the way into town. Right over there. And then there's a fire pit right there. And then I have to pee. And then there's this mountain there. So it's a little chilly. So I gotta go get some pants on my little baby. So yeah, maybe we'll go for a walk this morning. Alright. Oh, and we saw a fox last night. It was really cool. It was pretty. Okay. Yeah. What? Oh, bye. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
That's gonna be the coolest though. Right over here. Look at the red thing.
I know, they're beautiful.
That would be a cool area over here. And there's like some like rolling hill country area back there you might be able to camp at.
Where up? Way up there?
It's over there. See it's like rolling hill through there? The grass area. Right through there. And over here there might be some more cool stuff that way.
Do you think that's 4 miles?
Huh?
Do you think that's 4 Mile Canyon Road?
No, it's impossible for right
Is it dead end?
there. I don't know.
No, saying, is that dead end?
It says dead end.
That's what I said.
Yeah, so it goes down that way.
Yeah,
But still there's probably like stuff connected, you know?
Yeah.
For some reason.
yeah.
This is 435, that's the A, I guess, or this is 452, I don't know. It's alright, it is right time.
Oh, ow, ow, ow.
Well, I like that better during the day.
Yeah. I like this better than where we've been. It sucks that it's so far though.
It's not that much further. It's just that it takes you a while to get up because you're going slow around the corner.
Oh yeah, and probably because it was night. It was the first time that I drove it.
Yeah, if you look on the map, it's a little further, but not much. Maybe 20% further.
Yeah, I like this. I like this place a lot. Okay, we're gonna pack up and get
You
going.
want to see? He wants to come see.
Don't be upset at me.
There aren't that many Honda Elements made. They're not making them anymore.
Yeah, I'll go on for our walk this morning.
Right?
See if I can switch it. I want to switch. Is this good, Bubby?
Mm-hmm.
All right. No, they were not.
And my bed. They're really big and tall.
Good morning.